this is my coffee corner and I kind of just have everything out of place. I'm going to refill some pods. I bought some containers for these syrups. Like, this is my favorite syrup because it's just a vanilla one, and I love this one from Monin. So these are the new items that I'm going to be adding to my coffee bar. I got these containers from Target. So they're just like a pour through glass container. So I figured these would be great for my syrups. And then I got these from CB2, and I'm going to link all of these. I got this for my milk, and I'm gonna try to change my platter to this one. I got this carton just so I can put my milk or my creamer in. And then I also got this spoon for decor, but I did not expect the spoon to be so tiny, but it's so beautiful, so I kept it anyways. So I'm just gonna clean up my coffee bar and switch these out and see how it looks afterwards.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of trouble.
I can't decide if I want my pods over here just so it looks cleaner, or just leave it in the back so it's like not in the way when I try to reach for this, but I feel like it looks a lot cleaner over this side. I really love how everything came out, guys. I'm so proud of myself. I really love that I got these things. I feel like it ties really good with the look of the machine, where everything is just like black and neutral, and it's simple and clean, so I really love that. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and I'm going to leave the links for all the new things that I added to my coffee bar. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.